Hey, it's nice to have you back here in this new video. Today, we're gonna cover a lot about this brilliant wireless microphone system designed by Godox. That is a wireless lavalier microphone system named at WEC/S. S stands for Sony, that you can directly mount this receiver and transfer the audio signal via the digital port as well as in analog. And more importantly, you can even power this receiver by this multi hot shoe mount on the Sony product line. So this is actually a multifunctional, multi-purpose 2.4 GHz wireless microphone system. I mean, the Godox has pushed the boundaries another just step forward on the basis of the WEC wireless microphone system. So in this video, we're gonna cover a lot. I'm just so excited about this new product, and I just can't wait to share with you that everything that I have learned behind the scenes. Okay, first, a brief unboxing. A package box that you literally see a Kit2 stand for 2 transmitter, 1 receiver, and a lithium battery charging case. And it can transfer digital as well as analog audio. It's a 2.4 GHz 2 transmitter, a full functional multi hot shoe mount with a Sony standard. The backside, the 2.4 GHz digital and analog, also it support one button noise reduction function, and the maximum wireless distance has been reached up to 200 meters. I mean, it is very reliable in your everyday content creation, and it is reliable enough in crowded areas if you shoot around this wireless microphone system. And the receiver could be doubled as a microphone as well, and the smart engineer behind the Godox has injected another microphone capsule on the top of the receiver. I mean, inside the box, you're gonna see some user manual, the warranty card, the user manual, the quick start guide. It's a standard charging case for the WEC-S kit. It's waterproof, dustproof, shockproof. You have various accessories on the top. Take a look. This one is a TRS to TRRS cable designed for mobile devices and your laptop. This is a 3.5mm TRS to TRS. This one designed for traditional mirrorless cameras. This is a USB-A to C, the charging cable. I also have 3 wind muff, and this is a charging case. Inside you get this wireless microphone system. So why the Godox have jam-packed 3 wind muff in the package? 2 of them designed for the transmitter, and 1 bigger one that's designed for the receiver. The WEC-SRX. This RX in Sony multi hot shoe standard. That is so-called SRX, Sony receiver. Designed with magnets and wireless. This is a Sony multi hot shoe. All of stuff be charged in the charging case, but they can also be charged via the Type-C port. You can clamp the receiver to the shirts because it's super lightweight. That is a microphone capsule underneath the metal shield. Underneath this round shape metal shield, that is the onboard microphone inside this receiver in the receiver. So once you have mounted this receiver onto a Sony camera, use your vlogging, you capture some B-roll shot. You can also talk to a camera via this capsule to capture high quality audio even without a transmitter. This is pretty interesting. And on the transmitter itself, you also get an analog TRS output. You can output your audio via this port. I have tested that it also can output the audio via the Type-C port in the UAC format. And you can switch back in between the RX mic to on off. To turn it back to off, that is, its microphone gonna be turned off. If you turn it on, that you have enabled this microphone that can talk to the microphone, and you are good to go. Just use the hot shoe mount to transfer audio into a Sony cameras. Remember to put it into digital, or if you use the TRS socket, just turn it to right in the analog format. Then you can output the audio via this analog TRS socket. Another interesting fact about the receiver is that for a wide range of the the customer all around the world, they tend to use a Sony camera with a cage like this. This is a metal cage designed by Qualcomm. Normally speaking, for the standard, the Sony receiver that has a magnetic interference with the metal cage, but the Godox engineer has alleviated the receiver height to just at the right amount of distance, so that even if you're wearing the metal cage like the Qualcomm F22, you can still mount the receiver without any mechanical interference. Okay, next up, I'm gonna test out this audio quality on the basis of this multi-hot shoe mount, because I've been so curious about the audio format, whether it's in transferred audio in 60-bit depths or 24-bit depths. I'm gonna test out the A7 Mark IV, and I'm gonna mount on the first. First, flip the screen. I have already turned on this both of this transmitter. Once being paired together, you will not see the LED blinking. And if you tap on the denoise button, the green LED is turned to orange. That's been turned on. Denoise, turn off or turn it on. And another windshield design for the microphone on the right side of the RX. Take a look at this one. Let's switch back to video mode on A7 Mark IV, and you might have noticed this audio record level, this icon has been turned to gray. Tap on F1 button. Take a look, the audio record level has been turned to gray. It's gray, so that is an indication that the Sony cameras now captured audio via the digital port at the multi-hot shoe. You can take a look at the multi-shoe audio set. Take a look. So this Godox receivers now transfer the audio in 48 kHz sample rate at 60-bit depths in 2 audio channels. If you turn on this receiver microphone in the back, take a look. You might have experienced a different, if you tap on this button, take a look. It's now very sensitive to the camera. That is indication that the cameras, they captured audio via this microphone on the top of the receiver. Let's turn off the receiver simultaneously. And it still captured audio. The camera could still capture audio via this microphone on the back of the SRX. This is how it works. Next up, I'm going to show you the real audio quality that you can experience with the Godox Wec-S. S stands for Sony. I'm going to use Sony camera to make the audio test, but I also demonstrate to you some clever use cases with the TRS, the Type-C, and lots more. Okay guys, this is the audio test for the Wec-S. S stands for Sony. Just want to give you a quick walkthrough on the quick start guide. Take a look. You can definitely pause the video and take a look at what's been written on the quick start guide. On the top of the transmitter, it even has a standalone indication light that is a hot shoe connecting indicator light. And now I'm now recording with my Sony ZV-E1. And the top of the receiver, the indicator light has been turned on, and the audio has been transferred in 48 kHz 60-bit depths at 2 different channels. With the Wec-S, you're not sacrificing any other features. With the hot shoe mount, you are not losing any other feature than standard Godox 2.4 GHz microphone. A TRS socket, the analog output, the USB-C output, and a one-button denoise function. And you don't have to use a TRS cable on your Sony cameras anymore. It saves you time and efforts. Just plug and play to the Sony cameras, and the multi-indicator light has been turned off because the camera is now powered off. The power on. Take a look. The light has been turned to blue. That is to say, you are now recording the audio with the MI hot shoe mount. Okay, take a look. So I'm going to test out. This is the audio you are hearing. And yes, I will turn off the transmitter as well. Turn it off. And you can see the both the TX1 and TX2, the green light is blinking. I will now use only the microphone on the SRX to test out the audio and show you some use cases for the standalone microphone and receiver. Turn it on. Turn the microphone on. And we are shooting outside in some windy condition. Just remember to wear this wind muff. The audio you are hearing at this moment have been captured with the microphone capsule on the back of my Sony A7 Mark IV and this Godox Wec-S receiver. This is a basic audio test. This one designed for your personal evaluation on the rear microphone audio quality. This is extremely helpful for daily vlog for 2 persons. I am shooting some beautiful content for my wife. I can talk to the camera. And the camera gonna capture, save my voice in a specific audio channel, while I use another channel to record this wireless transmitter. This is extremely useful, helpful, and I have seen some similar design on the Godox Verso series. The Verso series is the first MI hot shoe wireless microphone receiver designed by Godox, but for the Wec-S kit, this Godox has just pushed it way beyond further and finally unlocked the digital audio output in 60-bit depths. Here's another interesting feature for the Godox Wec-S RX, that you can transmit the audio not just via this out DRS, but with the Type-C port as well. With the USB-C port, transfer the audio in UAC format. You can actually use this microphone as an external audio input for your laptop or for the DJI action camera and Pocket 3. Next up, I'm going to use my DJI Pocket 3 for a demonstration. I'm going to share with you this MI hot shoe microphone. It also works on the DJI Pocket 3. It's pretty interesting. Take a look. This is my DJI Pocket 3. Here I have my secret weapon for this one. This is a metal cage designed by Ulanzi. A magnetic field light design is called RM18 by Ulanzi as well. You can mount it from the back. It's also been a standard DJI action port. Yes. More importantly, I will use this black mist filter. It's designed by Ulanzi as well. I will put down in my description all of these accessories. Okay, I can turn on the field light. It's very bright actually. It's very bright. Take a look. It's RM18. It's very bright on my face. And the audio you are hearing will be captured with onboard microphone. But once I have connect the Type-C port, for the hot shoe mount, also be mounted on the cold shoe mount as well. So it doesn't matter how you mount the microphone. And use the Type-C port as audio input. Take a look. Use the Type-C, the short cable. The DJI Pocket 3 has recognized this Godox wireless microphone immediately as an external audio device, because you can see clearly this real-time volume indication on the top of the screen. Take a look. That is to say, your Godox microphone system is now working on the DJI Pocket 3. Here I'm gonna share with you some sample footage. The audio you are hearing at this moment are being captured with the Godox Wec kit. Okay guys, the audio you are hearing at this moment are being captured with the Godox Wec-S Kit 2. but I'm now using one of the transmitter. I use the Type-C port with the UAC format, transfer the audio inside the DJI camera series, such as DJI Action 3, Action 4, and this DJI Pocket 3. Now recording with audio. More importantly, if you are recording in a noisy environment, you can turn on this noise reduction. This is audio quality. This is audio quality with noise reduction. This audio with noise reduction. This audio capture without noise reduction. So with noise reduction, without. And this is audio without noise reduction. So this is before and this is after. Before and after. So just want to give you a personal evaluation on the audio quality. What fascinates me most about this product, that is, you can literally use the Type-C port and extend your use cases to a wide range of shooting scenarios, not just on the DJI cameras, but also on my laptop as well. You might have noticed that I use my laptop to record some online webinar tutorials. This is where I need some microphone to plug and play via Type-C port. I mean, this Godox Wec-S Kit2 is definitely one of my choices when I just want to record in premium audio quality with my online tutorial. Well, here is a basic video test for the Pocket 3 via Type-C port on the WEC-S receiver. It's brilliant, right? And yes, if you want to know more about my personal setup for the DJI Pocket 3, I will put all of the links down in my description. I mean, for the black mist filter, the metal cage, the small light RM18, and yes, a carry case designed by Ulanzi as well. I mean, the company Ulanzi has created a combo, a real combo for the Pocket 3. Just don't want to miss that out. Once you finish your job, just put all of the transmitter receiver inside the charging case. Just so small and compact. Inside the carry case, you can literally carry around to any shooting scenarios with wind muff and various cables. The MI hot shoe interface is definitely the killer feature for this product. But as I mentioned in my previous video, you're not losing any other features for the standard WEC wireless microphone system, such as the denoise function, the analog output, the UAC output via the Type-C, and mono, stereo. You can change the gain as well, the charging case, the carry case, the high quality, and a lot more. So this 2.4 GHz wireless microphone system going to be my go-to choice for my online tutorials, for my content creation with Sony cameras, and even for some DJI action cameras as well. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to thumb up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. So talk to you soon. See you next time. Bye.